Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what are we going to learn today? About Excel tricks that are going to make you fast, that are going to make you efficient. This is the third video in this series and I hope you have watched the earlier videos. These tricks are going to be completely new and completely amazing so that you can work efficiently in Excel. Right? They are also going to save you a lot of time. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again. So today's trick are going to be centered around one function of Excel that we are almost using every day. The function is find and replace. With find and replace, what we normally do is replace the words or 2023 ko 2024 kar diya, something like this. But it has many functions hidden inside it. Those tricks I'm going to share with you today. So this is a sample data, serial number, name, state and amount, right? So we select the data and 2-3 ways we can access the find and replace. Control H is one, okay, Control F is for find. Also you can go to home and find and select, and here you can access it. So Control H, what we want is very simple. Selecting the data, Control H, selecting the data and then Control H. We want to replace the UP state with Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so replace all 2. Now what is the problem here? I have copied this to another sheet and made minor changes. Okay, now we type here once again Control H and replace all. We have made 5 replacement instead of 2. Let us inspect it. What we will do is, the names somewhere got some horrible names which we did not want, right? This is the problem. So what was happening? Control Z, GOLUP, Sandeep UP, like Gupta contains UP. So this also got changed. This is not what we want. Today I will show you how we can avoid this. We will select the data and Control H. What is magical here is this options button here. So we will explore it. I will press the option. As soon as I press, many things come up. Beautiful things, I will say. Most important things here are match case and match entire cell contents, but there are also other things. Suppose you are working in a balance sheet and what happens? You have to replace the entire balance sheet date 2023 to 24. You go to every sheet and do that because by default it is within sheet. But let me tell you that this by default thing can be changed to within workbook. What will happen is entire workbook now it is going to search. So within workbook you do and change 2023 to 24, and everywhere wherever it is 23 it will be changed to 24. Similarly, search by rows and look in are also there, but what we need is match case. What it will do is, here UP is in uppercase and here the names contain normally smaller case because it is normal name. Gupta GUP is small. So as soon as I press this and then replace all, we can see only 2 replacement and the names here did not get because the match case worked very well. So second option, once again I will show you, Control Z, Control H, and the first thing we saw is match case. The second is match entire cell contents, which means here UP is UP, but here GUP TA, right? It is not the entire contents. So this way also you can prevent from searching all items and you can get to specific items. Third thing is very simple. Let me press Control Z for you and let us come to the third sheet where there are a lot of tricks. Suppose sometimes it is written like this. The name and the state is written in brackets. Okay. Now what we want is simple. We want the only names. So how do we do that with find and replace? It is a very complicated task. You will use other formulas. Don't worry, from today it is going to be very easy. Let us select the data and what we want is very simple. I will press Control H and there is wildcard system which is used in most of the things. What we want is that inside the bracket, if there is anything, I have just pressed the brackets because we want to remove the brackets, and inside that the contents are different. Somewhere it is West Bengal, somewhere it is UP, Chennai. So I have pressed star. It is a wildcard thing and you can use it in many places. Slowly I'm going to show you For today, this will help us a lot, and what we need is replace it with a space or maybe blanks or something, and just go to replace all, and you can see within minutes everything that was inside our brackets got removed. Really wonderful. Whether it's bracket, whether it's any other thing, star means a wildcard. So I will show you more usage of the asterisk or the wildcard. Suppose there are more names, and now instead of all these things you just want the first name, right? So what we can do is normally apply some formula, or you can go to Power Query or many other things. You can also do it with find and replace. How? Very simple, pressing the Ctrl H key. And now what I want is that after a space everything should be removed. So this logic, because between first name and surname there are space, so what we can do, press a space and just press asterisk. In the replace with, we leave it blank as it is, and replace all, and you can see that the surname got deleted because after space I have pressed the star, which means a wildcard, which means everything. Okay, so this can be very helpful. Now the third case, what happens if you actually have to remove a star? If we press normal star and then replace all, this is going to replace everything because star is a wildcard, everything got replaced. This is not what we want. So what we can do is simply Ctrl Z, select the data, and before a star we can use tilde. Okay, this before the above the tab is the button, and simply you can use that. And now after using this, what happens is that the next whatever you are using after that will not be treated as a wildcard but normal text. Okay, so now if I replace all, you can see all the stars got replaced. Great. One more usage of find and replace, very amazing. Suppose there are many names here, I've given 3 columns, there may be 30 columns, 50 columns. You have done some search and Amit thing got highlighted. Okay, you have found out that there are many Amits. How fast you can do it using find and replace? Simple. I press Alt HHN for removing the color ones. Okay, and now I want to find that how many names are there with Amit. Simple, I select the data, Ctrl H, and I press Amit. Okay, and I don't want to replace it with anything. I simply find it. How? Find all. So now this is the thing, but the magic is that when you are here, press the Ctrl A and all the things will be highlighted. So within seconds you can just give it a color. Ctrl H, maybe green, and you close it because its work is done. So you can see that all the Amit got highlighted, right? So trick is very simple. When you press the Ctrl A button after find all, it highlights everything. Very simple, right? Now the thing is that I am selecting the data again. What I want is that by mistake I have done it green color, I want to do yellow for any reasons. Okay, so what I can do, select this, go to this screen, yeah, go, no, simple, select the data and the options. You can see format, which is an amazing tool. So what we do is go to format and we choose the fill, simple, and here we don't press anything because now it is finding as per the format, whether it's numbers or anything. Format includes everything, border, alignment, whatever you can think of. Okay, so other examples, it will be a very long video if I show everything. Let me know in the comments if you are facing any issues with other examples, but we will show with fill. Okay, now I want to replace it with yellow, so I change the format and yellow, and okay, and just simply replace all. Within seconds everything got replaced. So this way find and select options has many things. I have shown you match case, match entire cell contents, format cells, I have shown you the wildcard, and the most easy thing but very powerful thing is the find a Control A button, because that selects everything under the criteria. You can use it very powerfully. Okay, so that's all for this video. Today I really want to know which one was your favorite trick. I will wait in the comments to know how much you liked the video and how much you have used
the find and select. Thank you.
Hope you got some value out of this video. So don't forget to like the video in order to make YouTube Baba happy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite part today. That's all for today. See you in the next video.